it's Luke's Toy Garage.
Well, hey everybody, back for another video. So, remember this slime in that other video that we made? And now we're going to do part 2 of it.
Yeah, the blue slime. So make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
Whoever wins rock, paper, scissors gets the blue slime.
Ready?
I'm definitely gonna.
No, I am. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh!
Hey, you already have a yellow slime.
That's true.
Okay, so now I'm gonna be pouring in the blue slime. Whoa.
Don't be shy, put some more.
Satisfying.
I know it's hard.
Yeah, it's really hard.
One hour later.
So, guys, it's really liquidy, so I think you need to pour more magic liquid.
Yeah. Another, I'll just...
Two more. No. One. Two more. Just pour in the whole entire thing. Like I did.
No, you
Because mine and I came together.
turning into really bad slime.
Did you read the instructions?
Yeah. Oh, Luke poured too much because it's supposed to say like a spoonful. I poured less. I poured more. Oh no. No, I think I messed this up.
Yeah, it's not coming together.
Yeah, it's really like
Juicy. That's the word to say it. Juicy. Yeah, it's not gonna come together, Emma. But get mine did.
if you mix it.
Emma, it's not coming together. Because mine's slime is big.
Oh no, I think I poured too much.
Get wrecked.
Luke's slime wasn't like this.
It was like this.
I'm gonna keep mixing.
Into 2 decades.
Yeah.
And then let's see.
Okay guys, so now look at it.
No.
It's really, really, really sticky. I think it's stickier than Luke's, but I think if
No, mine's
we
not
just
sticky.
keep playing with it, it'll come out not that sticky.
Yeah,
Because that's what happened with Luke. Luke was really sticky, and then now it's not sticky anymore.
Yeah, it's not sticky.
And I don't really like sticky. So this is a blue slime, my slime, in the dark. I really like it, and it looks really cool.
This is my slime. The best slime in the world.
Guys, comment down below which one is the best slime, and which one has
definitely
the best
me.
color. No, it's me. It's me.
No, it's me.
No. Which one has like the best color? Okay guys, my slime is not sticky anymore, and I actually like that because I don't like sticky slime. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want more slime videos. Bye!